I got a major problem in the two-door Jeep. See this right here? That sag in the rear suspension. It's time to shed some weight and get this thing rolling a little lighter. Let's do it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Burn the Map Adventures. If you've been following along on the channel, you guys know that I built this drawer system in the back of my two-door Jeep. It's great. I use it on every camping trip. It's organized, everything has its place, but there's a major flaw. It weighs a ton. This drawer system is made entirely of 3/4 inch birch, which in retrospect, some of the drawers that I made, I kind of just designed it thinking this would be the most rigid and secure, heavy duty drawer system. It's definitely put up quite a fight over the last 2 years, but I think I went a little overkill, and let's get this out and get a little something more lightweight in here. All right, first things first, let's empty these drawers. I'm not getting rid of the patches. Now that all the prep work's done, it's time to remove the aluminum trim right here. That'll give me access to all the screws, and I can remove the top and get this thing out in kind of one piece. Let's get screwing. We got the patches off, we got the tops off. Let's pull this whole thing out in one. I'm feeling a little strong. Ripped off a good portion of my knuckle right there. Look at that. You win some, you lose some. That drawer weighed a lot. I would say it weighed close to 60 to 70 pounds. That's a huge relief to have out of the back of the trunk. I'm gonna really fine tune that next setup so it's less weight in the back. So one last thing, I wanna pull this goose gear platform just because it's made out of 3/4 inch plywood as well. I really wanna go down to the foundation of this next drawer build and choose all lightweight materials. So sorry goose gear, but gotta pull this out too. So that about wraps it up for this episode. I got my old drawer system down below, ripped everything out down to the factory subwoofer. Stick around for the next chapter of Burn the Map Adventures. I'm super excited for this new, sleek, lightweight design to install next. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe below. It'll really help me out, and we'll see you out on the trails. Thank you.